So let's talk a little bit about Invoke. So at Invoke, we are a professional services firm. Tech-enabled services is what people call. Our focus and our expertise is helping customers on their journey of business transformation. That's a really big buzzword, but essentially our main focus is to think about how do we allow you to hire your next employee, and that employee is a software robot. So let me explain that for a second. Rather than you going out and growing your employee base and hiring more and more people to do your work, we will hire a software robot, and then we train that software robot to do the work that employees are doing on a daily basis. Anything that touches a keyboard is fair game. So if you have work where people are working in front of a computer and trying to process whatever it is that they need to process, we essentially train software robots to do that work. And this is really valuable because there's not only efficiency and scalability, so you can say if my number of customers grow, I can just add more robots, but there's also an element of acceleration of understanding of how your business operates, and there's an acceleration of improving that business. Because when you do the work with people, you have to now know what each people does and how they actually do the work. But if you have robots do the work, it's pretty consistent. And if there's variations happening, you get metrics back from those robots, and they'll tell you exactly how they did and when they failed. And so you have an ability to change the way your business runs by improving it step by step and not having to retrain all of your employees as they do their work. So ultimately, that's what we do as a business. We help you get started on implementing these solutions. And these days with AI, there's a lot of capabilities that we can do to give you a digital workforce that can be used to really replace a lot of the robotic work that a lot of your people are doing. And then once you get started, we help you think about what does that mean for your business. Of course, you can save time and money and scale your business, but what other opportunities do you have? And oftentimes that means, have we thought about other go-to-market areas? Have we thought about different opportunities that we can leverage to take your business to the next level? That's what we do at Invoke.